Welcome to Trade Pro. In this video, I'm testing this 1-minute day trading strategy to see how well it performs over 200 trades. I'm going to be back testing this 200 times for you to see how well it performs and see how profitable the trading strategy is. This simple MACD strategy I've tested in the past, but never 200 times on a 1-minute chart. So let me explain the strategy super quick because I have done this in the past. We are going to be looking for buy signals when price is above the 200 EMA, and we're going to be looking for sell signals when price is below the 200 EMA. And let's see, what is a buy signal? The signal is when the MACD crosses up, that happens below the zero line of the histogram. So a cross up right here or here is not a buy signal because it is not happening below the zero line of the histogram. So here we have a buy signal right here on this candle. So you'd buy right here, and then you'd be looking for a 2-to-1 RR, and you'd be setting your stop below the nearest swing low or at the nearest support. So I'd be looking over here at this level. See how we had touch, 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 breakthrough. So I'm going to be setting my stop just in the middle of this cluster here because we don't want to fall back into that level. And then going for that 2-to-1. And that would be the winning trade there. So that's the only example I'm going to give here. Check out my other videos on this strategy if you want to know more about this strategy. But it's time to test this 200 times to see how profitable it really is on this Euro against the USD pair. Now let's get into it. Here are the final results. With 200 total trades, there were 84 winners, 116 losing trades, and a win percentage of 42%. The most won in a row was 8, and the most lost in a row was 10. The overall gain on your account could have been 52%, assuming perfect entries and no fees or slippage. So, one thing I want to note here is that it took about 10 or 11 days of price data to find 200 trade setups, seeing as it is the 1-minute chart. You get a lot of trade signals per day. That's if you were to take every single one. But 52% gain on an account, let's say it would be more like 30 or 35 in realistic real-time trading. But still, that amount on your account over the course of that 10, 11 days of price data, let's say even if you go 3 or 4 times that number, and you're looking at 40, 50 days to gain 35% on your account. Not too bad at all, not too bad at all. So with this strategy, didn't perform as well as it did on Bitcoin, not even close, but that was expected because, as I mentioned on the Bitcoin trading video, that particular set of 100 back tests, there was a huge, ridiculous run during that time on Bitcoin that got a ton of winners in a row. So I think the results were a little skewed on that 100 back test with the previous one on the 1-minute chart. But here, this is more realistic to what you should see on the 1-minute chart trading the strategy. Later.